imagine starting your journey walking among towering mountains, sleeping under the stars, and ending your adventure by reaching Machu Picchu along the train tracks? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Salkantay Trek day by day, so you can visualize the entire route before experiencing it yourself. Overview of the route. Before diving into the details, let's look at the bigger picture. In the classic version with Inkayni Peru tours, the Salkantay Trek lasts 4 to 5 full hiking days, covering approximately 37 to 46 miles in total. Now let's go through what happens each day, from the moment you leave Cusco until you arrive at Machu Picchu. Day 1. Transfer from Cusco and first hike. The first day begins early, departing from the city of Cusco in private transportation toward the starting point of the trek. Along the way, you pass through Andean towns and scenic viewpoints. You stop for breakfast and get ready to begin the hike. Then you start walking along mountain trails for about 6 to 8 miles, depending on the exact starting point and the campsite used on the route. On this day, you connect for the first time with the high mountain environment. You enjoy spectacular distant views of the Salkantay's snow-capped peak. Many itineraries include the option to visit 𝗃𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗏 Lake, often one of travelers' favorite moments. By the end of the day, you arrive at the first campsite, where dinner and overnight arrangements are handled by the Inkayni Peru tours team. Day 2. The most iconic day of the trek. The second day is considered by many to be the heart of the Salkantay Trek. You'll start early from camp and hike uphill for several hours until reaching the highest point of the route, near the Salkantay Glacier. The landscape becomes even more striking with rocky mountains, glaciers, and wide open views. After reaching the top section of the route, you begin a long descent toward the next campsite, now in an area with more vegetation. In total, this day usually involves hiking about 9 to 10 miles. It's an intense day, but also one of the most spectacular because of the scenery and the sense of accomplishment after completing the highest and most symbolic section of the trek. Day 3. Transition into the high jungle. The third day marks a very clear shift in the landscape. Here, you leave behind the rocky, cold, high mountain zones and start walking through a much greener environment, with rivers, abundant vegetation, and milder weather. You pass through small rural communities and, in some itineraries, visit coffee plantations or other local crops. On this day, you typically hike between 9 and 10 miles, but the route feels completely different. Many travelers highlight this day as one of the most enjoyable, thanks to the change in scenery and the connection with local life. Day 4. Toward 𝗃𝗏𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗏 and arrival in 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗟𝗏𝗃. The fourth day takes you toward the access area for Machu Picchu. From 𝗃𝗏𝗟𝗟𝗏𝗃, you walk alongside the train tracks on an almost flat route surrounded by high jungle vegetation until reaching the town of 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗏. This day usually involves hiking 6 to 7 miles, with a much gentler slope than the previous days. Once in 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗟𝗏𝗃, you check into comfortable lodging, explore the town, and enjoy dinner. Day 5. Visit to Machu Picchu. The final day is the reward for all your effort. From 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗟𝗃𝗏, you take the bus to the entrance of Machu Picchu, or hike up if you prefer. Once you reach the gate of the sanctuary, you join a guided tour of the citadel, learning about its history, architecture, and cultural significance. After the visit, you return to 𝗥𝗘𝗩𝗟𝗃𝗏 and take the train back to Cusco, where the experience comes to an end. In summary, the Salkantay Trek with Inkayni Peru tours is a multi-day journey covering more than 37 miles, where each day has its own distinct personality. Mountains, glaciers, green valleys, high jungle, and finally, Machu Picchu. If this video helped you visualize the route day by day, I invite you to continue with the next chapter of this complete Salkantay Trek guide, where we dive deeper into key topics such as altitude, weather, and preparation. And if you're already imagining yourself walking through these landscapes, get in touch with Inkayni Peru Tours to plan your trek with a professional, safe, and specialized team. See you in the next video!